Our show today is my washing machine. Sarah has a new washing machine. She bought it last week from a local store. It is white, modern and very efficient. Sarah is excited to use it for the first time. She sorts her laundry into different pails. She separates the whites, colors and delicates. Sarah reads the instructions carefully. She wants to make sure she uses the machine correctly. Sarah puts the first load into the machine. She adds detergent and fabric softener. She selects the right washing cycle. Sarah presses the start button and waits. The machine starts working immediately. Sarah watches through the glass door. The clothes spin and water fills the drum. She is amazed at how quiet the machine is. While the machine washes, Sarah does other chores. She vacuums the living room and dusts the slabs. She also prepares dinner in the kitchen. Sarah feels productive and happy. The washing machine beeps when it finishes. Sarah takes out the clean, fresh smelling clothes. She hangs them to dry on the clothesline. Sarah is pleased with her new washing machine. Let's learn some new interesting words for improve your English. Number 1, efficient. Performing tasks in a well-organized and competent way with minimum waste of time and effort. Number 2, detergent. A cleaning agent that is used for washing clothes and dishes. Number 3, cycle. A complete set of operations in a washing machine that is repeated in the same order. Number 4, drum. The cylindrical rotating part of a washing machine where clothes are placed for washing. Number 5, productive. Achieving or producing a significant amount or result, being able to accomplish tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching my video and like subscribe my channel.